How to add items to your wish list on Amazon. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Amazon.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, to add items to your wish list on Amazon, scroll through and find the item that you want to add to your wish list. Once you have opened the item, select the color and make all the necessary changes in the product that you want. Now, scroll down again and you will see the option for Add to List. Tap on that. Select the folder you want to save the item to and tap on the Create List option. You can tap on the View List option and view your wish list, or you can also tap on your profile name under the Your List option and you will see the option for Shopping List. Tap on that and you will be able to view your wish list here too. So, this is how you can add items to your wish list on Amazon. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.